Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of using the MEXC exchange, specifically focusing on how you can maximize your trading experience with our exclusive MEXC referral code 12K4M5. MEXC is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly interface, extensive range of digital assets, and advanced trading features. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, MEXC provides a platform that caters to all levels of users. So, what exactly can you gain by using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5? Let's break it down. Firstly, when you register on MEXC using our referral code, you unlock exclusive trading discounts. This means that you can enjoy lower fees on your trades, allowing you to maximize your profits. In the competitive world of cryptocurrency, every bit helps. And with MEXC, your trading experience becomes even more rewarding. Additionally, using the referral code 12K4M5 grants you access to exciting bonuses. MEXC frequently offers promotional events and campaigns that provide extra rewards, such as bonus tokens or cashback on your trading activities. By entering our referral code, you'll be in the loop for these promotions, ensuring that you don't miss out on any opportunities to boost your portfolio. Moreover, the MEXC platform is renowned for its high liquidity and extensive selection of cryptocurrencies. This means you can trade a wide variety of coins, from popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins. With the referral code, you can start your trading journey with an edge, tapping into comprehensive market insights and real-time data. Another key advantage of using our referral code is the community benefits. MEXC fosters a vibrant trading community where you can connect with fellow traders, share strategies, and gain insights. By joining through our referral link, you'll not only benefit from the codes but also add yourself to an active network of crypto enthusiasts. In conclusion, don't miss out on the fantastic benefits available through the MEXC referral code 12K4M5. Register today and enjoy lower trading fees, special bonuses, access to exclusive promotions, and be part of a thriving crypto community. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading, and see you next time.